Do you know which stocks pay the highest dividends of up to 20%? Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss this video. Thank you. There are 48 high-yield bond ETFs that trade in the U.S., excluding inverse and leveraged ETFs, as well as funds with less than $50 million in assets under management. High-yield bonds, as measured by the Bloomberg U.S. Corporate High-Yield Bond Index, have underperformed the broader market over the past 12 months, providing a total return of 6.7% compared with the S&P 500's total return of 2.5%. As of August 17, 2022, we examine the 3 best high-yield bond ETFs below. All numbers below are as of August 17, 2022. In order to focus on the fund's investment strategy, the top holdings listed for each ETF exclude cash holdings and holdings purchased with securities lending proceeds, except under unusual cases, such as when the cash portion is exceptionally large. Dear subscriber, thank you for liking this video. This motivates me to make new profitable content for you. 1. iShares Bonds 2022 Term High Yield Income ETF. IB seeks to track the Bloomberg 2022 Term High Yield and Income Index, an index composed of U.S. dollar-denominated high yield and other income-generating corporate bonds that mature in 2022. The ETF provides exposure to high-yield and BBB-rated corporate bonds maturing in 2022. About 55.6% of the bonds held by the fund have a credit rating of BBB, which is investment grade. After cash and derivatives, the sectors with the largest allocations within the fund are banking, consumer non-cyclical, and electric. After cash and derivatives, IBHB's top 3 holdings are bonds issued by the following companies: Morgan Stanley MS, the investment and financial services company; Eaton Corp., Eaton, an American Irish power management company; and Credit Suisse Group Funding Guernsey Ltd., which is owned by Credit Suisse Group AG/CS, the investment bank. You can buy these and other ETFs profitably from the link in the description. 2. PROS has high-yield interest rate hedged ETF HYHG. HYHG tracks the FTSE High-Yield Treasury Rate Hedged Index, an index of U.S. dollar-denominated high-yield debt issued by corporations domiciled in the U.S. or Canada. The index consists of a long position in high-yield bonds and a duration-matched short position in U.S. Treasury bonds. The short position allows HYHG to mitigate the impact of rising interest rates. High-yield debt in the industrial services sector makes up over 47% of the fund's portfolio, followed by high-yield debt in the industrial, energy, and utility telecom sectors. After a U.S. dollar and unspecified corporate bond component, the top holdings of HYHG are bonds issued by the following companies: American Airlines Group Inc., ALL, the international air carrier; Dish DBS Corp., the communication services company; and Organon Finance One LLC, an affiliate of the pharmaceutical company Organon & Co. own. Keep watching, there's more, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks. 3. WisdomTree Interest Rate Hedged High Yield Bond Fund HYZD. HYZD tracks the WisdomTree U.S. High Yield Corporate Bond Zero Duration Index. The fund combines long positions in bonds represented in the index with a short position in Treasury securities in order to target zero duration. The fund aims to be a tool to combat rising interest rates and reduce interest rate risk in a broader portfolio. After a U.S. dollar component, the top holdings of HYZD include bonds of the following companies: Gray Escrow Inc., a subsidiary of Gray Television Inc., GTN, the television broadcasting company; SiriusXM Radio Inc., a subsidiary of SiriusXM Holdings Inc., Siri, the satellite broadcasting company; and Tenet Healthcare Corp., THC, the healthcare services company. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the profits. Thank you.